no, you're right. Kom door. Wat is dat? Je hebt een ginnesdag gemaakt. Dat is niet zo leuk, hè? Dat is niet zo leuk. Allee, kom. Zat, hè? Ik heb niks van. Fantastisch, hè? Ja. Alles is nog niet bezig. Hallo, ik moet het doen? Ja? Ze is inderdaad vastgehaald. Ze zijn krabben. Ja, mensen is hier in krabben. Dan lopen ze in. Ja? Zit je het daarop? Niet too much.
Attention, please.
Rightio, this animal is a saltwater or estuarine crocodile. They're also known worldwide as an Indo-Pacific crocodile because they have a very large distribution. Here you can look out and see my shape silhouetted in the light quite easily. They have nerve endings along the bottom side of both jaws, very sensitive, and they pick up vibrations on the ground. So even if he can't see me out over here, he can feel my vibrations. He knows there's a large animal walking out around here. As I walk closer, the vibrations are stronger. He can see me by then, he knows I'm there. Now if I put some sudden vibrations down here on this concrete pond, or next to it, he'll feel the vibrations and he will instinctively react. Okay, once again, it's not a very, thanks mate, it's a game man, I've lost a few. They're very territorial animals. This one here is the dominant male in this enclosure. And that's all there is. Okay. The next show of Wild World is Cockatoo Capon.